Check this out. Hello. So there we have a nice Asus, and he needs to be cleaned because CPU really fast goes to 80 grade Celsius. You see? So this notebook use DDR3 low voltage, okay? Whoa! Check this out. Holy mother! This is it's an USB port. So client says say that one USB port not working. Can you check it? Oh, that's really bad. I'll put this to support the screen, okay? So we have a free flex cable. And this is the burned flex cable. I'm impressed that mainboard still working. Okay, let's clean. So a trace, even glue on the plastic protection of the mainboard. If was not that protection was not good. If Asus put it, I put it, okay? We have two more screws from fan, and I think we are done. So LVDS speaker wireless. Let's take out. Sorry, one more screw here. So at the mainboard we have 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's like that. And this is cable from power jack. And this was clean before, at least once. out of dust. Measure BIOS battery. First, fan jack. So this notebook don't have thermal pads on the memory. You see the square? That's odd. Perfect. Awesome. It's very, 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 very dusty. Let's go. Awesome. Let's see. Yay! So this fan is without locking. You see, a lot of dust. Great. Yeah, I think is 0.5 because you see this gap here. You see that gap is kind of 0.5, but we'll see now. So you see, it's spread perfect because I put just for test just a tiny drop. You see, and let's see also. Yeah, you see. So this is the correct size of the thermal pad, 0.5 millimeter. Okay, press and wait to cool down. So that's perfect. Okay, perfect. Arctic Mix 4. So I already tested, of course, because I plug back everything back to his place. Okay, so it's working. Let's see temperature. Okay, 47, 45, 44, and so on. This is i5-4710 with an GTX 850. So everything look very nice. And thanks for watching.